Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have exciting unboxing and in-depth review of the Boult X10 Pro TWS earbuds. These earbuds have been making a quite buzz in the market, so let us dive in and see what they have to offer us. So the variant we have here is a grey and orange color combination. So let's start with the unboxing experience. Let me tell you first that it's not actually an untouched unboxing, as I was using this headset for the last 7 days and the box has been already opened once. So as we open the box, we have been greeted with a Boult branded blue color cardboard box, inside which we can see the warranty card and this user manual short version. Let us keep it aside. Beneath it, we can find the slick and compact charging case, which is very sturdy and compact, making it convenient for carrying around in your pocket or bag. It features a magnetic lid that snaps shut securely, ensuring your earbuds stay in place and protected when not in use. This case has a matte finish and feels quite premium in hand. Here we have our Type-C charging port. In the front, we have a status LED indicator and Boult audio branding. Inside the case, we have Boult X10 Pro TWS earbuds securely nested in their respective compartments. As you can see, they won't easily fall down because of strong magnetic contact. Moving on, there is a accessories box. Moving on, there is a accessories box. Moving on, there is a accessories box. Inside it will be some extra silicone ear tips and Type-C charging cable. So as you can see, the packaging is minimalistic and yet informative, which is always appreciated. Now with the design and build quality, so design and build quality. Taking a closer look at the earbuds, they have a lightweight and ergonomic design. They have a lightweight and ergonomic design that fits comfortably in ears. You can use the extra provided silicone ear tips in different sizes to ensure a secure and personal fit for each user. The earbuds have a touch sensitive control on their outer surface. You can see the Boult logo here. That is a touch sensitive control. Okay, you can use it to allow you play, pause, adjust volume, answer and reject calls. Process of pairing. So now the process of pairing I'm going to demonstrate to you. First of all, this is not a flip open quick connect type earbuds. So in this case, you have to take the earbuds out. So let me tell you step by step. Step 1, go to your Bluetooth settings. Step 1, switch on the Bluetooth. Step 2, take the earbuds out of your compartment. Step 3, there will be a device named Boult earbuds. Step 4, click on it. Step 5, you will see a pairing option. Just click the pair and it will show you connected. So now you are connected to the Boult earbuds. Though it is not a quick connect type thing, which opening up on the earbud case will quick connect, but it is having Bluetooth 5.3, so it is quick enough to connect whenever you take out from their pods. So each of the earbud now each of the earbud have touch sensitive button on the back of the earbud where you can see the Boult logo. That is actually a touch sensitive button. So the controls are quite simple. If you listening to music, if you tap any of the earbuds one time, it will help you to play and pause the music. If you want to go to the next track, just double tap the right one. If you want to go to the previous track, just double tap the left one. For volume plus, you have to triple tap the right one and triple tap the left one for plus and minus. For gaming mode, either of the earbud, if you press 4 times continuously, it will enter into the game mode. For voice assistants, any side you can touch it for long 2 seconds. This will bring down the Google Assistant. For answering the call, once you are receiving any call, you just press either side of the touch sensitive button to receive the call. Also, you can, while in call, you can reject the call or end the call using a single tap on the touch sensitive button. So let's talk about the most important aspect. Let's talk about the most important aspect of the sound quality. Boult X10 Pro earbud deliver an impressive audio experience. They feature 10 mm dynamic drivers that produce clear highs, rich mids, and punchy bursts. Whenever you're listening to music and whenever movies or talking, or whenever you're listening to music, watching movies, taking calls, the sound is well balanced and immersive. Additionally, the earbuds come with the environment noise cancellation, which helps in blocking the external noise and lets you enjoy your music and call without distraction. The overall sound quality is excellent, especially considering the affordable price range of 1K. Battery life and connectivity. Moving on to the battery life and connectivity, the Boult X10 Pro earbuds offer a 9 hours of battery backup on a single charge. The charging case provides an additional 45 hours battery life at 100% charge, ensuring you can enjoy the music throughout the day without worrying of running out of power. When it comes to connectivity, this earbuds use Bluetooth 5.3, which provides a stable and seamless connection. It quickly pairs up when taken out of the box. I have to cancel this. It quickly pairs up when taken out of the charging case. It maintains a decent wireless range with your devices. We didn't experience any noticeably latency during our testing, making this suitable for gaming and watching videos as well. Additional features: The Boult X10 Pro TWS earbuds also come with some handy features. They are IPX5 water resistant, which means you can easily use them during your workouts or even in the light rain without any issues. The touch sensitive controls are intuitive and responsive, allowing you to navigate your music effortlessly. The earbuds also feature a well-built The earbuds also feature built-in quad microphone setup with environmental noise cancellation technology, ensuring crystal clear calls even in noisy environment. We tested the microphone and it delivered impressive result. In conclusion, the Bolt X10 Pro TWS earbuds offer a fantastic range of design, sound quality, and functionality at an affordable price. The lightweight and ergonomic design combined with the excellent sound performance and long battery life make them a great choice for the music lovers and tech enthusiastic alike. If you are looking for a reliable pair of TWS buds without breaking the bank, Bolt X10 Pro is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for more information and current pricing and offers. So this wraps up our unboxing and in-depth review of the Boult X10 Pro TWS earbuds. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. As always, thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.